A sliding surprise book. Whose house is this? By Charles Reasoner. Who's pink and dirty and lives in the mud? I do. I'm a pig. Who is black and white and lives in a bamboo forest? I do. I'm a panda. Who creeps and crawls and lives in a web? I do. I'm a spider. Who buzzes and flies and lives in a hive? I do. I'm a bee. Who chirps and tweets and lives in a nest? Do you know? Tweet, 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 tweet. I do. I'm a bird. Tweet, 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 tweet. Who is furry and stinky PU and lives in the woods? I do. I'm a skunk. PU. The end. Toodaloo, kangaroos.